SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to record 4K video on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. The camera app on your iPhone has the ability to record video in 4K definition. This is ideal if you often watch your videos on large screens like a television, but if you find that your current recording resolution is only at 1080p and you want to switch to 4K, then you can do so by opening the camera app. You can then select the video option in the slider at the bottom of the screen. And now at the top you should see this HD and then a number to the right of it. If you tap on the HD letters, then that's going to switch it to 4K, which means that the next video you record is going to be in 4K. If you would like to change the frames per second, which is the number that's to the right of 4K, then you can tap on that and it's going to cycle between 24, 30, and 60. Now, if you would like to always record in 4K so that it's the default option when you open the camera app and choose the video mode, then you can go into the settings menu. You can then scroll down and select the camera option from this menu, and then you can choose record video at the top of the screen. Now you just need to choose the 4K resolution that you want to use, and then once you select that, that's going to be the default video recording resolution whenever you open the camera app. Note that the amount of FPS is going to affect the video size. So if it's 60 frames per second, then the video is going to be larger. Whereas if it's 24 frames per second, then it's going to be smaller relative to the other 4K options.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.